I hope you'll always see the sky and not get caught up in the ground. I hope you'll always see the sky. Our energy is with you now. I hope you'll always see the sky and not get caught up in the ground. I hope you'll always see the sky. There's a piece of me torn out with your side. Well, babe, I know there's no hope, but God, I wanna try. And if I don't keep this flame alight, I need you to see, yeah. I need you to know I tried.
everyone that joined us on this drive today. It was lovely weather and we got some awesome photos. We can't wait till the next one.